All right, so today I'm going to show you a quite simple card trick that you can use to, let's say, win a bet. First, a shout out to Big Brothers and Big Sisters of Cincinnati for providing this deck to me. This deck was made by the United States Playing Card Company in Erlanger, Kentucky. And Big Brothers, Big Sisters doing some good things out there in the community. Now, let's say that I wanted to win a bet. I'm thirsty, and I asked you to choose 3 cards. For the sake of teaching you a trick, you've chosen these 3 cards, and I don't know what they are, right? So I'm going to ask you to take that first card. You're going to put it on this pile. Then I'm going to cut the cards here, and then you're going to put this one on this pile. And then I'm going to cut the cards here, and you're going to put this one on this pile. Now I've got these cards left over. I'm going to stack them up, and then I'm going to say, if at any time you see your cards, then I have to buy you a drink. If I can find your cards and reveal all the other ones without showing you your cards, you buy me a drink, right? So then I'm going to dish these cards out. And all you got to do is just look for your card and tell me if you see it at any time. Because I have a great hunch that that is just not going to happen. And then by the end of this all, I am going to be a lot less thirsty than what I was to start. So we're just going to go through here. We're looking. No, don't see your cards, do you? None of your cards are in this deck, are they? Nope, none of your cards are there. Okay, well, then we don't need any of these, do we? Let's try that again. Maybe you just overlooked something. So we're going to dish your cards out again. And see if we can find your cards anywhere. Keep looking. Do you see them? No? You don't see them in this pile either, do you? Wow, that's kind of funny that you wouldn't see your cards anywhere in that pile. Keep looking. Be real diligent. No, not there, are they? A couple 10s, couple 3s, a queen. Now we're left with these. My odds are getting real slim, but let's do this here, right? Oh, look at that. Nothing. But, however, look at this. And now you owe me a drink. All right, so the setup here is really no setup at all. All you really have to do is to get your spectator to choose 3 cards out of the deck. Like I said, for the purposes of this trick, we're going to choose these 3 because they're very recognizable. These are the jokers that come with this Big Brothers Big Sisters deck. What you do from here is, starting from your right to the left, you're going to dish out some cards. Your first pile is going to have 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your second pile and your third pile will both have 15. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And with a standard 52 card deck without the jokers, you're going to have 9 cards left over, right? 9 cards left over, which you are going to hold on to. Your spectator is going to have their 3 cards, and you're going to either say, hand me a card, or you're going to say, put your first card there. They're going to take their first card, they're going to put it there. You're going to take from the deck to the left, cut as many cards as you like, somewhere reasonably in the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect. You're going to set them on top. They're going to put their next card. You're going to do the same thing with the deck next to them. Cut an amount of cards about equal to half. However, you like. They're going to take their last card, put it on there. Then the pile that you're holding, which is the 9 cards, goes there. Grab them from your left and stack them to the right. Now, I don't know how it works, but it does. You're going to start by going up, down, meaning you're going to turn up to the spectator, down to yourself. Up, down, 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 until you have exhausted what is in your hand. Just don't get lost talking and doing your showmanship and putting on your routine and all that. You want to distract from it, but you don't want to get lost in what you're doing and get confused. So none of the cards show up there. That goes in the discard pile. You're going to do it again. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, until you've exhausted what's in your hand. Again, the cards don't show up. You're going to take those cards, discard. On this third time, you're going to go in reverse, and you're going to go down, up. If you're a good showman, they're not going to notice that you switched the order. Their cards are not there. And then on the final time, you're going to go back to up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And the last three cards you're left with are the spectator's three cards. I don't know how it works. It's mathematical in nature. Even so, you cut a random amount of cards when you go through the cutting, but it still ends up working out. And there you go. That is that trick that I don't have a name for. It might have a name. I don't know. But there it is for you. Again, thanks to Big Brothers Big Sisters and the United States Playing Card Company for manufacturing this deck and making this great trick come to life. You can like, share, and subscribe if you so enjoy doing so. Otherwise, stick around to my channel for more deck unboxings, deck reviews, history, nuance, and the random card trick as I try and make my way through them. And I thank you very much, and I will see you next time.